Hi, do you want to make your text curvy in Canva? Don't worry, I will help you. First of all, I would just remind you that you can find free coding projects for Python, JavaScript, Java, R, PHP, and more here in dari.com. So let's go to Canva, not here, but here. So this is our text, and we want to make it, or we want to add some effects on it. So first of all, click on it. And here, as you can see, this will pop up, so you can choose multiple stuff, but today we will just go to effects. And as you can see here, you have a bunch of things you can do. So for example, you can add this, I really like it, this shadow effect, and of course you can do multiple stuff on this thing, and you can change the blur, the direction of the shadow, the offset, and more, or you can choose this one also, this one, and more and more and more. And also you can choose the shape. So this is the non-shape, which is the normal one, but also you can put this shape too, and you can add some more stuff, more beautiful thingies, and you can also change the background color. Let's say that I want it in the bluish. So yeah, you can choose whatever you want whenever you want, and you can, I don't know, do anything. Also you can add the animation here. See? So beautiful. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to come to darkdari.com and get your free coding projects. Bye.